Welcome back to Newswatch 12 this morning. Turning it over to Stormwatch 12 meteorologist Josh Colberth over in the Weather Center. Josh, what are our temperatures looking like today? Are we looking still pretty mild, or are we in freezing in some areas?
Yeah, still mild for this time of the year. We'll be about 5 degrees above average for this time of the year, but we are seeing some freezing temperatures for this morning, including in Lakeview and in Christmas Valley and in Chemult. So in these areas, you would have to maybe break out the ice scraper, but probably just a little bit too warm for that in Klamath Falls, in the Shasta Valley, and definitely too warm for that within the Rogue Valley and along the coast. So for today, again, we'll end up being about 5 degrees above average for this time of the year. Pretty dry, although we could have a few showers left over along the coast. Winds today will gust out of the south and southwest, upwards of 20 miles per hour for the coast and for the Cascades. And then for tonight, the winds will actually shift to the coast and the Shasta Valley, still gusting out of the south, upwards of, again, about 20 to 25 miles per hour. And at this point, we'll start to see some more rain along the coast and up in the Grants Pass area. And this is associated with the storm system that's going to bring us all of the impacts in a Friday and Saturday. So we'll go ahead and show you that with Stormcast. Now for this morning, just a few very light showers on the map, nothing that impactful at all. And then into this afternoon and evening will actually be pretty dry, even a decent amount of sunshine. But here comes that next storm system arriving along the coast pretty close to midnight, and this becomes fairly widespread into Friday morning, and this will continue throughout most of the day on Friday. Just pretty continuous stuff. So here's some of the water totals we're expecting from tonight through Friday night. A lot of wet weather for the coast, upwards of 2 inches of moisture, and anywhere between 1 inch to 1.5 inches for the Cascades and Illinois Valley, but definitely a lot less for the Rogue Valley, Shasta Valley, and to the east of the Cascades. Snow levels are going to be in that intermediate range through Friday morning, and then way up there for Friday afternoon, up around Pelican Butte and Aspen Butte. And if you don't know where that is, that's because it's so high within our region. Here's some of the snowfall totals we're expecting through Friday night, subject to change, but this is just a smattering of snow for really all of our passes. Maybe a trace to 1 inch for our east side passes, a trace to 1 inch for our Cascade passes, not even that for Siskiyou County passes or our west side passes. So again, we'll have medium impacts into Friday and into Saturday, and then drier for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. But here's another storm system in a Wednesday. We're already going with medium impacts for this one for right now, as this one looks like it's going to be another wet storm system along the coast. Snow levels will start coming down just a bit, but still many details to work out with this one. And just to reiterate the driving force behind these high snow levels, it's our temperatures. We are going to be so mild as we head into this weekend and into next week. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. Showers likely for today, although they're going to end up being pretty light. Much more rain is likely in a Friday and Saturday. For Siskiyou County, mostly sunny skies for today, a chance for showers for Friday, and then showers looking much more likely for Saturday. For the Klamath Basin, maybe there could be a wintry mix very early in the morning on Friday, but that's going to be pretty short-lived as snow levels are going to go way up there later in the day on Friday. Then for the mountains, maybe a couple inches on some of our Cascade passes, if that. So I'm not anticipating any road closures or chain requirements. Then for the Rogue Valley, pretty dry for today. That's not going to be the case for Friday or Saturday.